Welcome back, ladies. We are just going to get busy in the kitchen. I am going to make a big breakfast for everyone, and then after that I just have like some paint areas that I really need to touch up and some cans of paint and just a lot of little extra things that need to be put away. So I will walk you through everything after breakfast is done and we've eaten and everything. And then I will show you the kind of things that have been on my list of to-dos, but I've of course had to just put some of those things off because other things were taking the priority this week. So I have some dishes that I'm going to put away, but I also have the table to set. The kids are just now getting up and I would like to put like all this stuff away. One of my daughters was making cookies and stuff the other day. I plan on making some waffles as well as some eggs, and then I have the bacon in the oven, and then I also cut up some oranges, peeled the oranges, and so I will just be putting this in a bowl so that, you know, everybody can get what they want. I'll probably just set it up buffet style here, and then I don't know, we will see if I do buffet style or if we'll just set everything on the table and pass everything around. So I have a couple of loads of laundry to fold here, and just today I'm trying to get everything kind of reset in a way. I've let a few things go, especially with a lot of the projects, in addition to also trying to keep up with just the workload that I've given myself. So sometimes that happens, but I mean, it's not a big deal to get everything back on track before starting the new week. So this is, of course, a Saturday for me, and normally I wouldn't be doing these items, for instance, for laundry, but Saturday is kind of a catch-up day if I wasn't able to get to those other things, like the linens, for instance, on Thursday, or my husband's laundry as well. So anyway, I also wanted to kind of figure out where to put all of the things that I have just piled up right now, unfortunately, in my room. And I say, do not allow your room to be a dumping ground. I have gone from space to space trying to figure out what to do with things, or just dealing with things as I go. And we've also been entertaining, and so sometimes, like for instance, when we were having the renovation going and we were having company that same week, I ended up putting all of the cans of paint and whatnot in our room just to clear it out of the common areas so that it wouldn't be an eyesore, and so I could just feel better about that part of the house. And then I had it in the laundry room, and then I wanted to complete the laundry room and do that video, and it was causing me a lot of stress in there, actually, to have everything out and trying to do laundry and everything in that time. So I ended up just bringing it in my room, and a big reason for that is because I dislike having my room as a dumping ground, for instance. So I know that I am going to deal with it, and today is that day that I'm going to deal with this with all the little things today. I just need to figure it out. Jorge just spent the last 2 days, I would say, kind of cleaning out the garage, and then it was raining as well. So, I mean, it's really good that he did that. We did have like a garage clean out day together, but he was also doing other things. So for a while there, he also had just some stuff that ended up piling up, and it was nice to see him take care of that. And it's so much nicer to park in the garage now with all that extra space. As you can see, everything still looks nice and neat in this area, and I'm just kind of protecting this space. And I would have to say that redoing it, and even just getting art up on the wall, kind of makes me want to do that even more. And then I also ended up bringing this stool in here that I was using at my dressing table. And I don't know, for some reason it just feels different to have this basket up off the ground. And it also acts as something that I can even just step up on to get some of the things up in the cabinets and not have that other step ladder in here. So it's kind of convenient. And anyway, like I said, this space is just nice and neat, and it's being kept. So I washed all the dishes after we had breakfast. I still have all this stuff that I need to put away. I think I'm going to be putting it up in this cabinet right here. But I'm letting those dry for a little bit. Probably by the time I'm done with putting my husband's laundry away and all the towels and everything, I'll just come in here and quickly finish this up, because even clearing all of this out will make a big difference. Still have my apron on. I am planning on doing some touch-up paint right now, and then I'm going to be painting one of my daughter's rooms. So it's really nice to have these Saturdays where we don't have anything planned. We did have something planned, but those plans fell through. So sometimes that's nice though, you know, when you're planning something with someone or just whatever you have going on and then it doesn't work out. Sometimes it's like it opens up your schedule. It's kind of like a relief because then you can feel as if you have this day free. And I'm not one who's big on filling that time if, say, somebody cancels, because then I just want to use that time for something else that maybe I've been putting off or that I felt I haven't had time for. So it's kind of a slow Saturday. It's raining. It's just nice. We have the door open. It's a great day to actually do some painting because I'm going to open the window. But I was thinking I need to put all these paint cans away and whatnot, but I think right now I'm just going to focus on these little projects. I have a couple of things that I did put away, like some of the dresses and stuff that I'm going to be selling, and then ones that I needed to pack away. I put my husband's clothes away. So slowly but surely I'm getting things done, but I still have what feels like a dumping ground here, but I'm also working on some projects. So, you know, things take time and it's just a good day to get some of these projects done, tie up some of these loose ends, and let me know in the comments below if you have been focusing on such things on Saturdays and, you know, what you've been up to. So really that's where I'm going to end things here. And I hope that all of you have had a really wonderful week, and I look forward to sharing the new bedroom that we have, you know, the remodeled space this coming week, and some more homemaking. So thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.